Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to yet another video, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually gonna be showing you a great ingredient that will actually help you keep your teeth white, sparkling. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Can you see that? Sparkling white. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Grab the front row, sit down, enjoy yourself, because I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredient that would whiten up your teeth. Okay, like the ingredients are very easy. Like have you actually tried using banana peel in whitening up your teeth before? Guys, this is great, amazing. Okay, so let us go. Let me show you how this is going to be helpful to you, how you are going to be using this to brush your teeth. Okay, and how it's going to whiten up my teeth, how my teeth was, and how it's gonna be after. Okay, you're gonna see it. Okay guys, so let us go guys. So the first ingredients we're gonna be needing will be banana. All right guys, so you have to get a very ripe banana, okay, so that when you want to mix, it's going to be very easy to do that. And also it's just going to help for the teeth, because of course it actually help to whiten up the teeth, especially the peel of this banana. Okay, so we're going to be using a little bit of the banana and the peel. Okay, so how we're going to do that, I'm going to be taking a little bit of banana, and now before that I would be scraping out the peel of the banana into the bowl. Just 2 slices of that is okay, because we'll be needing the peel also. So you're going to be scraping the peel this way. Alright, because the banana peel helps so much in whitening up the teeth. So this is just how you're just going to do it guys. So after that is done, we'll have to mash the banana plus the peel together guys. Okay, just like that. So you can see that I don't have too much of the banana, because obviously this is just for one use. Okay, and this is going to be perfect. And the second ingredient we're going to be needing will be bicarbonate of soda. Now this is baking soda guys, and not baking powder. Since baking soda contains a lightening and whitening property, it will help to lighten and whiten up the teeth, and with the help of banana is going to help to leave the gum healthy and also the teeth whiter. So for the baking soda, I'm going to be adding up 1 teaspoon of that. That's actually okay. We're going to be needing a little bit of rice. Now because rice contains a lightening property, it will also help in whitening up the teeth, and it will also help to leave the gum healthy. Okay, and also for the rice powder, we're going to be needing just a little, just like I earlier said. So we're going to be adding just a little bit of the rice powder. Now you have to blend your rice to be really blended. Okay, so it will be smooth while using it on there. So the next one we're going to be needing will be coconut oil. Now we need this a whole lot, because you have to have your gum protected and your teeth whiter, and also it's going to help in killing germs, removing all manner of stuff from the skin. Okay, so that's why we'll be needing coconut oil. And now we're going to be adding up the coconut oil. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of that also. Now this will enable us mix all of the ingredients. Now time to mix the ingredients and mix really well. And you have to make sure that it's actually a consistency you can use on the teeth. So this consistency is actually better. Now you also have to make sure to stir it and mix it really well. Alright guys, so here is the teeth whitening, and I'm gonna be using a brush. Okay, so you have to use a brush most definitely, of course. Okay, and then you're just gonna use this. You take the and then use that to brush your teeth very well. This is actually very soft and it's not abrasive at all. Okay, brush your teeth. Well, as you brush your teeth alongside, you're gonna spit it out. Well, it's just gonna taste a little bit sweet because of the banana. All right, it's very healthy, and it's something that's gonna whiten up your teeth a whole lot. Like, okay, so when you're done brushing the front side, you have to brush the inner side also. And you also have to brush the upper part. Okay, now most importantly, you have to brush your tongue. Now you have to brush your tongue in a circular motion. You brush your tongue like that. Okay, it's gonna be easy to wash off from your brush. Alright, so when you're done doing that, your teeth is just going to get whitened. So you have to do this once in a week. Okay, so it's not something, well, if you want to repeat it now, because of the banana, it's just going to be very friendly. But of course, because of the baking soda, you don't have to repeat it for too long. Okay? Alright guys, so when you're done using this, now you don't have to repeat it for that week. It's something you have to do once in a week or twice in a week. Now that is actually because of the help of the banana. Okay, now you don't have to store this particular treatment, you have to dispose it. All right, when you're done using it, you have to dispose it. Okay, so that it does not go bad, because obviously it's going to go dark when you store it. So it's not something you have to store at all. So that's it guys. It is actually a very friendly, teeth whitening paste that actually makes your teeth whiter, and it keeps your gum healthy, and it also keeps your mouth odorless. Okay, so you have to make sure that when you're using this, you brush your tongue with it very well. Look at my tongue. Now if your tongue is not pink, is not clean. Your tongue has to look pink after which you've brushed. So you have to brush the inner parts very well, and so that your mouth would be odorless, so that you won't have to offend other people or other people offending you with their mouth odor. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Bye guys.